Hello from the Reynolds Journalism Institute at the Missouri School of Journalism. I'm delighted to announce our newest class of fellows, each of whom will work to create and test practical, free resources for journalists and newsrooms. 4 institutions and 3 individuals will work over the course of 8 months to advance a new idea, share their progress with the industry, and ultimately offer some actionable insights to help journalism get stronger. Our fellows are Dana Am I Here, founder of Afro LA, and Zoli Cernatoni. They'll be developing an automated and customizable way newsrooms can engage with their audiences using quizzes about news content. Michelle Kanar and Alyssa Shukar with Prism Photo Workshop will be helping newsrooms simplify and standardize their work with freelance photographers and visual journalists. Andy Lee Roth from Project Censored is going to focus on explaining how the algorithms that influence so much of the news business work and how to better report and write about them. The Salt Lake Tribune's Alex Partida will be reimagining the digital site that most news consumers land on now, the article page, so it better serves today's audiences and meets a news organization's business needs. Catherine Lewis will be creating resources to provide journalists interested in pursuing freelance work the knowledge and skills they'll need to be successful. Kate Myers is going to create tools to help news organizations strengthen their operational muscle and strategic thinking. And last but not least, Aura Walmer will be working to make data sonification, a relatively new aspect of data journalism, feasible for all journalists to implement. As always, we can't wait to start working with this talented group. They'll be starting July 1st and will be sharing their progress each month at rjionline.org. We hope you'll follow along and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.